Hi there, my name is Sebastian. I am from ENDERS, and today I am very excited to be showing you our San Francisco 2 model, which will soon be available at Aldi UK. First of all, let's take a much closer look at the various external features of our San Francisco 2. And what immediately catches the eye are the two large wheels, which are ideal for moving the grill on the terrace or in the garden. To do this, I lift it on one side, then place the grill on the desired surface where I want it, set it down again, and then our grill stands stable and is ready for use. In the lower part of our grill, we have a practical storage option, and it's located behind a small screen, so that your grill cutlery or your grill accessories are out of sight of your guests, and everything can be ideally stowed away. Furthermore, our grill has two practical side tables where you can, for example, place grill cutlery, sauces, or even a plate, which should make grilling much easier for you. Let's now turn to the interior of our grill, and what's immediately noticeable when I open the lid is that we have a practical swing-away warming rack. Using this warming rack, I can easily keep my food warm. But it's also perfect for baking bread or cooking smaller items using the top heat, thanks to the active top heat that reflects directly off the lid. Once I close the lid back down again, we can see a very practical grill thermometer located right up here, which makes monitoring the interior temperature much easier for me. Under our two stainless steel grates, which are split in the middle, there are two flame covers that stop fat dripping directly into the burners. Burners is a good keyword because we have two of them here, and I can easily switch these on and off independently of each other using a built-in piezo ignition system, which allows me to do both direct and indirect grilling with ease. Now let's take a closer look at what our San Francisco 2 model can really do by grilling something on it. I have a few marinated pork steaks, then a few sausages, a bit of something vegetarian for variety, and now let's look together at what this grill can do. Our grill is preheated, and now let's put our meat on the grates. A few sausages. After a short time, we now have some truly ideal branding on our meat and our sausages. And now it is finally time for our swing-away warming rack. I have already moved the chicken skewers to the very top. Now the sausages follow right along. And of course, we have our two pork steaks. And if we now close the lid, we can let our food finish cooking perfectly. I hope I've been able to show you exactly what our San Francisco 2 can do, and you're now just as excited to start grilling as I am. This grill will be available for you starting from April 30th at Aldi.